Welcome. If you're looking to remove a site from the JavaScript allowed list in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. Maybe you want to boost your privacy, or perhaps you just want to keep certain sites from running scripts in your browser. Whatever your reason, the process is straightforward and only takes a minute. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, open up Google Chrome on your device. Once the browser is open, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the window. Click on them to open the menu, then select Settings from the list. This will take you into Chrome's main settings area, where you can control everything from privacy to appearance. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy and Security. Under this section, you'll see an option called Site Settings. Click on Site Settings to open up more detailed controls for what websites can and can't do in your browser. Now, in the Site Settings menu, scroll down until you find JavaScript. Tap on JavaScript to see which sites are currently allowed or blocked from running scripts. Under the Allowed section, you'll notice a list of specific sites that have permission to use JavaScript, even if your default setting is more restrictive. Find the site you want to remove from this list. Click or tap on it to open its settings. Here, you'll have a couple of choices. If you want to completely remove the site from the allowed list, simply tap Remove. If you'd rather block JavaScript for this site instead, you can change the setting to Block. This will stop the site from running scripts the next time you visit. And that's it! You've successfully removed a site from the JavaScript allowed list in Chrome. These steps help you take control over which sites can run scripts, giving you more privacy and a safer browsing experience. If you ever want to add the site back, just return to the same menu and update your preferences. Thanks for watching.